So let me use the select star from the products table, and I'll be showing you the entire table here. You can see this is our entire table. We have used the group by to group the data by the product line. Now we will be using a group by using a where clause, that is we are applying some condition. Suppose if my condition is I want to know that what are the buy price which is greater than 90 $90. I want to group only that rows. So how to start with? So let me write the code again, or just copy this to save some time. So you can do this here. So I am using from. So first you look at from. We will see about the SQL execution from the products table, where I'm going to use a condition like your buy price is greater than 90. Okay, so it will go for the table, then it will apply the condition, it will filter out the details where the buy price is greater than 90. From that it will group the column called the product line, then it will go and select the product line column and the count of the product line column, and it will rename it, and then it will order that count column, whatever renamed it, in the descending order. So let me execute this. Yeah, now you can see that. So there are only two products that are greater than $90, where your buy price is greater than 90. Only two. So if I change this to maybe 50, now you can see, execute this. So this is how your product lines are, or the products are. So this is how the where is used after the, sorry, before the group by.